I'm going to show you what to do when you got a broken door handle. Well, as you can see from this, I tried to open this and it's not working. Not working. I have to pass through the window and open it from outside. And when it's open, I'll take this off. There's a screw over here. And also there's another one over here. And there's the last screw. So after taking the screws out, I'll take this shade off. So just like that, it will come off, and I'll start taking the cover. You can use your hand or you can use the flat head screwdriver. So in taking this off, you can use your hand to take it off, or like I said, you can use a flat screwdriver. You just have to loosen the part, and after losing the part, it comes off. And after it comes off, you're gonna have to take off the controller to separate the regulator from the cover. So I'll take the regulator, I'll separate the regulator from the. So this is what I did. I just pressed I push this down a little bit and it releases the cable from the door. So now I'm gonna take off the handle. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm just gonna push this a little bit forward and it comes off, and there it is. So after taking it from the door, I lift this a little bit. So I lift this bar a little bit. And I take it from this side. So I take this off. So this is the broken one. And this is the one I got from the wreckers. You can also get it from the internet. So I'm gonna install this. And I'll put this in place. So like this. And so after I've put the handle back in place, I'm gonna connect the cable again. Right, and I'm gonna put this back in place. So I just put it in place, just start to press it against the door. And I put this back on. And I'm gonna put the screws back on. And so guys, we're gonna test it to see if it's working. So this is how to fix your broken door handle. Don't forget to